Guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. So today I thought I would do a quick video with a few palettes I've got here. So we're just going to do swatches. So we've got the Natasha Denona Mini Star palette. It's beautiful. I think this one is my favourite mini that I've got, so it just looks like that. And we've got the Natasha Denona Mini Retro, which just looks like that. So first though, I want to do the Natasha Denona Glam Palette. I've done the Natasha Denona Bronze Palette already. I'm thinking about putting them all in a playlist. I'll title it Natasha Denona Swatches, so you can take a look at them. So this is the Natasha Denona Glam Palette. It comes in, you know, the plain packaging that she does. And this one is £60, but I got mine for, I think, 48, just because a couple of the shades I had to repress. I didn't do too bad a job. It was this one here. So that one is called Centre Eyelid. That one is the one that came the worst. And then this one, a little bit was smushed. I had to smush it together a little bit as well, and that's Brow Bone. And the reason I want to swatch it is because I've not used it all that much. With the Natasha Denona Bronze palette, I've done 5 days, 5 looks. I don't think I've done that many looks with this palette. Of course, you'd have to look on the channel and see what I've done with it, but I know I haven't used it in a very long time, so it needs to come out soon. So yeah, I thought we'd do some swatches today, so let's go over to the vanity table and do that. Right, so here we are. I've got my wipes. I've just got some swatches that I need to take off. And I'll need to take this watch off as well. So this is an absolutely beautiful palette. Now, up until last year, I never thought I suited cool tones. Beauty Dreams by Naomi got me into trying them. And she bought this palette before I did. And she loves cool toned eyeshadows, and she looks really good in them, and I just thought I would try them for myself. And I really do like this palette. I don't have many cool toned eyeshadow palettes in my collection, so yeah, I'm really glad that I did purchase this. We're just going to go into the swatches. So as always, we'll do the top row first. So we'll start off here, and that one's called Centre Eyelid. Look at that. That's beautiful. Now that for me would work as an all over eyelid shade. I absolutely love those rosy tones. Then we've got Outer Eyelid. Again, another beautiful shade. That's pretty. Then we've got Inner Corner. Now you don't have to use these where Natasha Denona says you do. You can use them wherever you want. I'm just going to swatch that one again. So that's that one there. Right, and then we've got 2 mattes on that row. So we've got the crease shade, which I do tend to use as a crease shade. It's absolutely gorgeous. The formula of Natasha Denona's mattes and shimmers are just absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got Transition, which you might not be able to see that much. Let me do a few swatches on this. So it's just here. Right, and then we've got Smokes. So we're going into the middle row now. Nice for the outer V and the lash line. We've got Blend. So there's 3 mattes in this row. We've got Lash Line. They might not look as good because my arm up here is very dry. Then we've got Inner Corner. Very pretty. Centre eyelids next. So we've got 2 shimmers on the middle row. That's gorgeous. That one there. And then we're going to the final row at the bottom. So we're starting off with centre eyelid, the one that came broken. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a really nice gold. And you can get this palette in a mini as well. Just with the, is it 4 or 5 shades? Let me have a look. I think it's 5. Yeah, 5 shades. And they're £22 in the UK. But I just thought I'd give this one a try. So next one we've got outer eyelid. That's that one. Is that a shimmer? I think it's a satin, because it's certainly not matte. So I don't know if you can see them. Then we've got centre eyelid. Gonna swatch that again. And then we've got outer eyelid. And then we've got brow bone. So you're getting 15 shades in total. And that's all 15. Let's put it up a little bit and you might be able to see. So that's all 15 eyeshadows. I know it's not the best. It's the camera, because the LCD's on the back, I can't really see. I'm having to kind of lean over to see what you're seeing. But yeah, that's all 15 eyeshadows, guys. This is the beautiful Natasha Denona Glam Palette. It really is a gorgeous palette. If you like these kind of tones, I think you'd really like it. I would wait though until Black Friday in November, unless you really want it now. I don't know if it's still on the Look Fantastic website. I had a look the other day because Look Fantastic sent me a 20% discount code and I didn't see this one. I saw all the other MIDI palettes that she does. I'm actually going to wait till Black Friday to purchase the Natasha Denona Gold palette and maybe the Natasha Denona Trio Chrome as well, because those are the 2 palettes that I really want. All the other ones I'm not too bothered about. But yeah, this concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. Please like, it really does help out. Share and comment, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and click on the notifications bell, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.